everyone, so today's video is going to be our living room transformation from start to finish, and I honestly cannot believe all the transformations we've accomplished in this home this past 3 months. But it's always a pleasure to inspire you if you're thinking of transforming your own space. I hope you guys get ideas, and yep, you guys, let's just go ahead and get started. Working on the living room today. As you guys can see, we have the blinds literally, or the windows literally open. So we're going to start from, of course, from the basics. I already laid down my rug, and then we're just going to go ahead now and put on the curtain. And the drapes we have today is from a brand called Omabelletv, guys. I have their linen collection, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly show you guys what they look like. I have packs of drapes right here. That's the one for the stove hood. Is that the one I use for the stove?
That thing looks like that's the big on the front. That's huge.
It's
what
not.
Do you know with
It's
the
not
stove?
big.
You're not going to use it now.
It's not big.
Huh?
It's not as big as the one I bought for the entry for the big for the.
That thing is like this big. I mean the box at least. The stove, the one in my closet is like this.
Oh no, you're talking of Christmas tree. That's the Christmas tree, it's not the brief. So here we are. The curtain, the drapes is looking so good. And guys, one thing I absolutely love when I went to the website to pick up these drapes, guys, is the fact that they have this kind of this mini book, right, that has all the drapes on the website. So it's kind of something that gives you a rest of mind. You know how like you're not really sure of the color. So going ahead to pick up this book first, I picked up this book first. It took like 3 business days to get to me, so that way I'm able to see all the fabric they have, and also the colors. So this one, like I said, I have the Lily collection. I have this one in 70% blackout. I don't like 100% blackout curtains because they just it makes the whole room gloomy and dark, so I wanted like kind of 70% blackout where I could still have a little bit of light coming through the window, and that is the reason I decided to go with the Lily collection. And also this color is, I believe this one is the beige. Let me see the name they gave it on the website. It's such a very nice, yeah, this one is called sand beige. The color you guys can see here, it's kind of in between gold or peach. Like it just, you know, it just gives that very nice goldish peachy color, which I absolutely love. So I was contemplating on going with the white, you know. So they have the snow white, which is the pure white. They have the beige white. They have the ivory white. Ivory white is always like the color I usually go for, but because of course my wall, it's kind of grayish white, so I decided to go with this sand beige right here, so that way you can see a clear difference between the wall and the curtain. And I absolutely love how they came together nicely. So we're just going to go ahead and just put in the furnitures and just, you know, turn this space into a very nice modern living room. So as you guys can see, they have, I believe, over 50 different fabrics, you know, on the Lily collection. Of course they have different collections, but I decided to go with the Lily collection, which I absolutely love. Yeah, very good.
No, there's so.
Move this way. Stop right there. I think we should take it back a little. No, it's fine. Take it back a little back.